Presented by Srinivas S, Professor of Physics, Government Postgraduate College, Chikbalapura. Now discuss about a stellar classifications in a astrophysics. Stellar classification. Each star is born with a specific mass. This mass is the main factor in determining the star's brightness, temperature, expected lifetime, type of death, and spectra. Stars are classified according to their spectra. Astronomers realized that large number of stars exhibit a small number of distinct patterns in their spectral feature. So you know that the stars are made by a gaseous things like a hydrogen, helium, calcium, and some metals. All this is a chemical composition of a stars. So stars which shows to appear in the colors blue, red, yellow, green only. These are the spectral colors of a stars. The main cause for these colors due to the chemical composition. Chemical composition. This pictures shows to the so how many spectral lines are appear. So here H alpha, H beta, H gamma, helium, H delta, and then helium second is there. So iron second, and these are the spectral lines. Only few spectral lines are appear overall all type of the stars. Stellar classification. The spectral lines are caused by different elements present in a star. So you know that our blood is a look like a red in color because of a iron. Leaves are look like a green in color because of a magnesium ion or magnesium metal. Like that only, the spectral lines are caused by different elements present in a star only. The overall spectrum is strongly related to the surface temperature of the star. So, color shows to the or color represent the surface temperature. So, dull star show means lower temperature stars are appear in red color. Higher temperature stars are appear in blue color. Then stars are then categorized into classes distinguished by the strength of the spectral lines and their shape. So, in stellar classification, stars are categorized into the classes based on the strength of the hydrogen spectral lines and their shape only. So, according to Harvard classification of the stars, all stars can be classified into seven classes like a O class, B class, A class, F class, G class, K class, M class. All hottest stars or massive stars are belongs to O stars which are appear in blue color, and then very dim stars and lighter stars are appear in red in color which are belongs to the M type of the stars. What are the stars are available in between the O and M class which are belongs to B, A, F, G, K? Our sun is belongs to G group. Our sun is a belongs to a G class, capital G class only. So our sun is look like a yellow in color. So, from O to M, stars decrease in temperature, stars generally become a less massive, smaller. So we shall move from O to M. The mass will be gradually decreases, and temperature is also a gradually decreases. So then we remember the classification of the stars O, B, A, F, G, K, M. There is a mnemonic is there. O, B, A, fine, guy or girl, kiss me. Or one more mnemonic is there. One bug, hate, five green killer moths. So these are the mnemonic to remember the classification of the stars. HR diagram. HR diagram is a very important in the view of the examination point for Here 8 marks question. So let's see of a, what is a HR diagram. HR diagram means Hertzsprung result diagram. In short form, we use HR diagram. What is HR diagram? A diagram is drawn luminosity along y-axis and spectral class or surface temperature along x-axis, which result a HR diagram. Just observe this diagram. Luminosity is taken along the y-axis. So the scale, just observe here, scale 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 4, 10 to the power of 6, and 10 to the power of minus 2, 10 to the power of minus 4 only. This is nothing but absolute luminosity is taken along the y-axis, and its surface temperature or spectral class O, B, A, F, G, K, M. These are the spectral classes is taken along the x-axis, or in terms of temperature in above of the graph. Let's just observe here. In decreasing order, 3000, 4500, sorry, 40,000, 20,000, 10,000, 7,500, 5,500, and 4,500, and 3,000. So temperature will take in decreasing order. The scale of temperature is 1000 in Kelvin only. We using a Kelvin, or we using absolute magnitude. One more scale is there. So absolute magnitude scale 0, minus 5, minus 10 in above. In below the 0, 5, 10, 50 in terms of 5 only. So this such a kind of a schematic diagram is called a Hertzsprung result diagram. So they asking what is the Hertzsprung diagram. So a diagram is drawn luminosity versus a spectral class or surface temperature of the star is known as the HR diagram. Now see the curves. So we seen these so many curves. A belt is drawn from top leftmost to the bottom rightmost. So many 90% of the stars are fall along this belt. So this belt is known as the main sequence belt. Such a stars we called a main sequence stars. Main sequence stars. What are the main sequence stars? The stars are appear during the night clear high to our naked eye. Those stars are main sequence star. The maximum lifetime all stars are spent in this stage only. Then below the base, so in the main sequence star, just observe here. So at the top of the leftmost, the stars are appear in blue color. Blue color shows to the highly massive, highly temperature stars, and the size is very high. Next, some stars are appear green color, and some stars are appear like yellow color. Our sun is also belongs to a yellow color star, which belongs to a G type of the star, G type of star. And some star curve, the stars are appear very red color. These stars are a dimmest star, appear as a dimmest stars, and lightest stars, and whose size is equals to very small. Then above the diagram, above the main sequence belt, there is so many stars are here. So some are the super giants, normal giants, red giants. So what are the colors are appear in green, which are a super giants, yellow we called a normal giants, and then the color of the star shows to the red, we called a red giants. So next, below the main sequence belt, some stars are appear here whose surface temperature is a 40,000 or 20,000. Such stars we call a white dwarfs. So white dwarfs size is very low, but their surface temperature is a very high. So this is the schematic diagram of a result, Hertzsprung's result diagram. For analysis purpose, stars are placed on the HR diagram according to their luminosity and their temperature or spectral classes. HR diagram. The Hertzsprung result or HR diagram reveals that about 90% of all stars lie along a smooth diagonal curve called the main sequence. with hot luminous stars in the upper left and cool dim stars in the lower right. Not all stars fall on the main sequence. Stars below the main sequence are called white dwarfs, and those above it are called a giants. So just observe here. Since hotter stars are bluer and cooler stars are redder and white dwarfs is hotter than a red giant. So diagram is of seen properly and clearly. So what are the color? Color due to the so hot stars are appear in bluer color. Red coldest stars appear in reddish color, redder in color. White dwarfs are a hotter and red giant than red giant stars. So white dwarfs are appear in white in color, sorry, green and blue colors. Giant stars appear in red color. Star facts. O stars, O type of the stars. What are special things about a O stars? O stars color always appear in blue. Temperature range we found 28,000 to 50,000 Kelvin. Size nearly very large and massive. Spectra ionized helium, ultraviolet, continuum. Examples for O stars 10 Lesetra, Zeta Puppis, and Lota Orionis A. Next, B stars. B stars are appear in blue color. Temperature range we found 10,000 Kelvin to 28,000 Kelvin. Size of the B stars large and massive. Spectral composition means chemical composition. Or spectra are due to by the neutral helium or lines some hydrogen. Example for B stars: Beta Century, Regal, Spica. So just one note is there. B stars are relatively rare, comprising only 0.1% of main sequence stars. A stars, A class of stars. So A stars are appear in white always. Temperature range we found 75,000 Kelvin to 10,000 Kelvin. Size moderate size means normal size, very luminous. So which are appear very bright. Spectra is due to by strong hydrogen lines or ionized metals. Examples for A stars: Alpha Canis, Sirius, and Alpha Vega. Note: a star are amongst most common naked eye to star. Means A stars are appear our naked eye during the night clear sky. F star. So F stars are appear in white yellow color. Temperature range of F stars we found 6,000 to 75,000 Kelvin. Size nearly 1.2 to 1.6 times bigger than the our sun. Spectra due to the chemical composition like a weak hydrogen lines, strong calcium and other ionized metals. Example for F star: Canopus and Procyon. Canopus and Procyon. So these are the belongs to a F star. So note: often used as a target for extrasolar planet searches and SETI programs. G stars. G stars may belong color. G stars are appear in color yellow. Temperature range we found 5,000 to 6,000 Kelvin. Size of the G stars we found 0.8 to 1.1 times the mass of the sun, near to our sun only. Spectra are chemical composition. So they having a weak hydrogen lines, neutral and ionized metals. Because of weak hydrogen lines and neutral and ionized metals, the G stars are of in yellow color. Examples for G stars: Alpha Centauri, A, and Kepler. Our sun is also a belongs to a G star whose surface temperature we found 6,000 Kelvin, and subgroup of the our sun is a G2 is the subgroup. K star. So K stars are appear in orange color. The temperature range is found 3500 to 5000 Kelvin. Size smaller and cooler than the sun. Spectra paint hydrogen lines, strong neutral metallic lines. Examples Alpha Bootis, Arcturus, and Alpha Tharas Aldebaran. So these are the examples to the K stars. M star. M stars are usually appear in red color. The temperature range found in the range found as 2500 to 3500 Kelvin. Size range we found 0.5 to 25 main sequence are supergiant times the mass of the sun. Spectra strong metallic lines and wide titanium oxide bands. So this is a special composition of a M star, strong metallic lines and wide titanium oxide bands. Example Antares and Betelgeuse. Antares and Betelgeuse, these are the red giants of the star. So note, most common class by number of stars, since 90% of all stars are red dwarfs. So thank you.